Coming to you from the Versatile Studios for one of the hottest female dance groups right now in dancehall, Versatile Ones. First of all, introduce yourselves to me, please.
Hi, I'm Kimika Versatile.
I'm Tara Terrible.
I'm Baby Sarah.
What's so terrible about her?
Her dancing, she versatile, and when she take the stage, she terrible, she will rip it up.
Tell us how you put together the pieces for this group.
Dancehall culture in Jamaica is dominated by males. There's no female crew that even lasts longer than a month, 2 months. So going abroad and seeing mostly female crews that sit abroad, I'm like, why Jamaica can't have a bad female crew that can really represent for females and enforce woman power, because our females in Jamaica are not so united. So that was one of the reasons why I said, no man, I have to create a female group. And not just a female group, but a versatile female group. Because we have so much good dancers out here that can do ballet, hip hop, jazz, folk, contemporary. Tara here, she was a part of Wilma's dance troupe for many years, so she has experience in folk, in modern contemporary, and also dancehall. She has a passion for dancehall. She hasn't been doing dancehall for many years, but lately she was saying that she wants to really get involved in the dancehall because she loves it.